Hello friends, welcome to our channel and it's me Swapnil Suresh. In this video we are going to see about the latest update of EDC Apex News. Before going to the video, if you are a new subscriber, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get immediate notification. Okay, let's go to the video. In this video we are going to talk about the refund policy. I know a lot of subscribers waiting for the refund. This video will be helpful for them. ADC Apex app is still under maintenance. I don't know when it will work. Company is alternatively changing the plans, and now company gets certain conclusion and making in process to refund the policy of the subscribers who are affected in this business. For that, company took certain steps on processing it. Do you want to know what are they doing? Company has decided to collect money from top leaders who are earned still now in this business. Company has prepared a chart of top leaders and how much the money earned still now in this business, and decided to collect 10% from the total income which they have earned still now. 10% means it's not a big amount, but it will helpful for the people who are affected in this business, suffered for investing their amount in this business. Company sending mails and calls for the top leaders who have earned lot of money in this business, and they are asking just 10% of the total income which they have earned in this business. Example, like a person who have earned 10 lakh rupees in this business, means company asking just 1 lakh from the income, and it will helpful for the person, those who are affected in this business, and company saying we will refund that amount for the peoples who are suffered in this business. And company also saying it's a humble request for the leaders, please donate the money from the earning of 10%. And most of the leaders have started donating the monies. Example, like Jay, Netaji and lot of leaders, and they gave suggestion to other leaders also to donate the money as soon as possible without making any problem. If all the leaders will cooperate, means the company will refund the amount as soon as possible. And these are the proofs for the payment of donation. Each and every leaders will get message from company side or calls. Please don't ignore that call or messages. Please donate the 10% of income from the total income. It will helpful for the persons who are affected in this business. And without making delay also, because the company said if all leaders they donate the amount, it will easily helpful for the persons who are affected in this people. We will refund immediately as soon as possible. And still we don't know how the company will refund the amount for the persons and which method or which mode of payment, because the ADC app is still under maintenance. But this problem will clear as soon as possible with the help of leaders. Okay friends, if you like my video, please thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.